In the following story, we will hear many nouns and adjectives. See if you can pick them out. If you cannot, we will point out some at the end of the story. Early one morning, while it is still dark, among the tall trees in a cool forest, there is a strange sight. What is this big, scary thing? Gul, Jojo and Tota can't believe their eyes. Thad goes for a walk. He sees Jojo, Tota and Gul hiding in an old strong tree. And they are shivering. They say they saw a huge scary monster in the forest and are hiding from it. Tota tells him they saw something. It had angry red eyes. It had long, sharp claws and made a roaring noise. And Gul says it was tall and big, taller than the trees in the forest and bigger than anything he had ever seen. Thad asks them to show him where they saw the strange thing. And so they go. As they reach the spot, they point it out to Thad and quickly hide behind him. Thad looks at the monster, still sleeping. Oh! Thad thinks he knows what this is. The others look out from behind Thad. "Hey!" calls out Thad. "I know you!" As they look, the monster moves. He stretches his arms and yawns. As the leaves, branches and fruit are pushed away, they can all see the monster is really Balu. He looks up and sees his friends. "Good morning," he says. Everyone laughs. What they thought was a huge, scary monster was just big, sleepy Balu.